This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
No mutum futuro gu yeni. Sana after 2020 election. Mulusu ye. Mulusu ya na mo share mo chitafo kutupa. Ema mo ti omugu monten so. Ehye kata eni ade. Misbehave all over the country. Only for you to go to court without evidence to sustain your case. Ewieche eden na yera ama beka che. Osi okọ court because na the way ani mebu ni ye no. He went to court to satisfy the youth of his party. Ene kwa me no ka se nche bia wa fidie so an ye beka asase. Oso da nyame ase kra se omulusu 2020 election no. What kind of joke is that? It is not just from the leadership of the party to the very smallest person, you know. Omo de omo say amanyo sem sa amanyo sem ayeye no. Omo nya omo adwen say ombefa amanyo sem serious e o man we mu.
E den nti na obeka say joke.
Na nye joke.
Na joke
e anything. Presidential candidate. Etimi beka che o say Sebi nhyehyeye a oye ya odekodan court to batan no. Ni nyina so ne say na ni mebu e wo ne manyoku onim no. The way amu ye ni nti he went to court to start Google it. It's there. He said it. Ene ye nianu na ye resi edu nketi anso beka anya o ka kire. Sebi nyame na me bo mitimu ka. Enti na chesa modia musu ne mo ban ne say every time bia mo pese mo ko chichi mfutro na mbe tugu Ghana fo ani. We shouldn't be sitting here even discussing this. We should be discussing productive things. But mo na makofa sa asemwe aba abetumu. Na wo ko create u mess we are. Then you are trying to invite us to interrogate the mess. Hwen someone na KKK 75 by anything. NPP yako ye candidate. Same ponu ye candidate no. Se na namo ntu a o tu na ni mrabo abura. Se o de osimwe. O de asa o maami a o. Na unia ne cardinal. Ana cardinal nya sa na tie. Na fe okura abriye. Eti ni ankoto se na ye no yesusu se jechi kwesi ebumra so. Ama ye de kodan court batan. Ama court batan edi asem na ebu etia no. Ai ne ye ko ba election no. Na ka o de wo ha o ne sen. Osimwe na nko abohye na wati nwesi abonten so na wani age esan say nei no MPP candidate ayakoyi no Sebi na motuo no eni mrabo abra it's an automatic win for your candidate. Nene why we where we are now. So na almost started sa nyama we nyina na almost they prepare grounds for tension. By election na ye be konimu. And omusuni omoban no.
Ave na mozumo.
Osi e afeni ehu. And na make sure say sometimes in some day ye kabo mu na ma ne yesa. Aya mitumri a che osi say opa hwe by elections ayako okromu anum say are characterized by tension and violence nyina no was started by such behaviors from yenuanu a omoti wonu wi. De bia omanamotuo no ye kwa election or by election or baby no mun say it's a 50-50 affair. E betimi akwa amanyeko bia side pe. No mo de ene say o se de akohwie betum o se ekotena se manufacture assembly betum o se create tension say e bia isi ye bibia ensese oye hweminu elembele keke nsem a okay ana referee eti wo susu ye ne say wakoff pitch so na wo ko bobo na ball no ye 9 ye de bobo no referee na mo na wo keke udimrika na wakotu na ball referee yem no de ayem hihie butu hwe ba bia o say na referee there ade na me butu me ball yem no wo so wa butu me Sebi ball no ball ne e ball ana say blows and ye ko ball park and so it is elections near kwa then you need to submit yourself to the rules of the game. Na no baby omune nam no is it part of the rules of the game? It is Sebi mo na mo pe ana mo pese mo twetwe easy no e de ba be gina sa gina bia no yen NPP for we don't speak for the easy. And we will never purport to speak for the EC. But as interest holders, you know, so I bet now now be can sem o control letter now be twi yedin be shem a se bi nyina so bia na se fata se yensom yedi anu tumbi na ye che o se asem na o kan se bi eni nyina so bia anasa asem na o kan eni ti eni nine so susu se one asem na o kan o ti wona na watu anamo. Contrary to the comparison man some cardinal yeah about your friend is saying yenya Abu Ramadan ne Evans Makomu case ya oka wan say me even they went to court and in the end what was the decision of the court it is yenya no NDC for mususu say anamotu amutu no Sebi e wonyina so a you go to court Sebi me read yenya Sami Jemfi a write up or the buy no there are some reasons in there member tena anka say bi asabi ni nsem a watch oni nyina no but ayampia part na ewo na all too easy ayampia di akohie gu NPP ni easy so no it is a part that must be condemned sanka NDC for ananka yen yetu sa na man ka beti so muti radio so where is the Christian Council of Ghana, where is the Peace Council of Ghana, Asofu for Ghana hat here then civil society, they are always crying foul and making unnecessary noise and calling on people to come to their rescue. It is sabi so uni nyina so a sasa no factory baby sabi me no ka say sa brain and can before kwa say you better discussing the legalities of the issue as to whether candidate ne kwa NPP akoyi no say nipan on to aba as to whether a violating mrabi kwampo na e wo say yenia sami jenfi any the NDC no e wo say sambe ni kom de chel pack kese e bre Ghana for any east no but some say omuni mani wonti they still hold on and they still found their voice and they are moving around in circles and speaking in this manner very despicable and unexpected of even people are I was say omuni better. But you see, they are going about and saying these things. I know mutu in futuro egun kofweni. But the woman say, "Yeni anomna." I was say omuti ni amabi asise. Adibi wo nomna say, "Oh yeah." Na wa dwehun ahwe amana ko echi say, "Susuan pa say mi ankasa ade ameye no. How does that affect my integrity?" And they what you say, easy response. And they were citing Sami Jenfi, and they were citing Sami Jenfi. And yet the audio read the be fe no den once na buy.
On one de buy, me
that's. On one de buy. So one coach also let away. I make two futuro. I be din try ti say ya. Omo so mutimi nya akukuduro kwa etina radio so tina TV so efre afoforo ntro. This is blatant liar. Untimi sustain you obebia. Say nei no, say enei no, senka emraye adwuma ti say ne yenya expect ya. Ana easy logic complain with the police say one fan dance emra no ma friend says ya. Anka wo behu the collective bunch of people are omunihye ambekwa ko bochenku police headquarters say omukoye dede because the police had invited them to produce an evidence to a baseless accusation which never exists in the first place. But Cardinal, sene beya ye nyina ye democracy ebekọ enim no, some of these things eba me dey ana me susuye ne say ye nyina ye mfa ya nuntum na where it is condemnable we condemn it. For the legal argument we can always argue it. To say now point no, there is a constitutional provision in terms of the eligibility criteria. So why an ultimate contest the election and a hifana sani panitimi contest the election. That is an argument for all of us to make. It is a whole feeling po say what side of the interpretation and answer how they to sa constitutional your friend is a provision in so no deep in law. You go to court to prove yourself.
Mate.
But say who ni sa adwene say obekọ court dey prove you ho a sebi sa akohwie ni nsem a ye kan ni nyina no enye nsem a ebeboa na Cardinal make asem ni ko yen MPP for there yakoyi ye candidate na ye candidate yakoyi ni nso no ye nimpa say senatie bia no nkunimdie no obetimi di nkunimdie no abrɛn obi bia a concerns about it how susu say candidate na ye yi no ebia enemra ebo ebra no you can go to court. But these blatant lies, we will not tolerate it and we will not countenance it anywhere.
Ernest Kumi, akotia Jay-Z.
Oh, but now is I'm short time now. So that me, hey, now me just say we are above.
Akotia star boy.
And my landi.
Wakasa mo fifty condition.
This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.